Hey, what's up, y'all? In today's video, we're going to try something a little bit different. You'll remember a couple weeks ago, my niece Susanna learned to ride her bike, and so we did a little library tour. Well, not to be outdone by her older sister, her younger sister Quill just learned to ride her bike too. So I'm real proud of both of y'all. And since y'all are trying something new, I thought I would too. So today we're going to show a little bit of the trails around Santa Fe. Now, I don't have a trail bike, so I borrowed a mountain bike from Dr. Ben F. Tink. That's me behind him there. And yeah, we'll just take a look at these trails for today's ride. Most of the trails look something like this, and the camera can't quite look over the bushes, but my head was above the bushes, and there's mountains in the background. It was actually really nice. Pretty smooth sailing for the most part. But there were some technical trails too, and you know, I've done a little bit of trail riding before, especially when I was a kid, but I have never done anything remotely technical, so that was pretty exciting.
Oh boy. Oh no. Oh no. Ah. These would be fun if I were good at it. Whoa! Oh boy. Say it again. Okay. It was funny, I hit my brakes so I could hear you say maintain speed.
But let me tell you, 12-year-old Tom would have been very disappointed in 31-year-old Tom, because I got tripped up a lot.
Yeah! Whoa! Oh no! Are those little ones like meant to be jumps at speed? Oh, okay. Okay, rocks. Rocks. Oh boy. The soft stuff! We got through it. Oh. You just gotta get used to the back wheel coming out from under you. That's just life over here. Oh shit. What is this? What is this nonsense? Okay. No. No. Oh, I couldn't do it. Oh shoot! Ugh. Dang it! I'm okay.
And that's pretty much it. It was a really fun ride. Thanks, Ben, for letting me borrow your bike, and Quill, I'm real proud of you for learning to ride your bike too. So I hope y'all get to have some adventures when all this virus stuff is over, and hopefully we can all hang out soon.